They had almost no experience with the military until their 21-year-old son, Dan, joined Lima Company and got the word he was heading to Afghanistan.
Okay.
My child's going to war. I'm not okay. It's just a little knot that's in your stomach, and I don't think it's going to go away till you come home.
It's what we heard over and over from these families. After all, Lima Company was
What's
the
your present,
hardest hit
Rob?
unit in the Iraq War.
What's
5
wrong?
years ago.
What are you doing?
23 killed.
Huh?
Okay.
What are you doing?
You want us to come pick you up tomorrow?
What are you doing?
Okay. Okay.
Staff Sergeant Dan.
You want presents?
Wife
I
Jackie
haven't
had
thought
3
about it
young
yet.
children.
It's not Christmas yet.
But was it at
Not
5,
yet.
did you say? Yeah. So, you know,
Not yet.
we would leave at 12 probably.
2 days. You gotta wait.
Staff Sergeant Blackwell told us his biggest concern
You gotta wait, Rocky. You gotta wait.
rare disease that required
2 days.
We'd come get you.
Santa's not coming yet.